Hi kids, welcome to BabysLife channel, and today we're going to see or unbox the Hot Wheels Speed Cruiser. And here is the set, and you can see here it is mentioned as Hot Wheels, and we have a car included, and it is mentioned as Speed Cruiser in the front. Okay, and I think the van which is included in the Speed Cruiser is made up of plastic, not a metal one. And here you can see the racing, you can fuel up and then go. Okay, so on the back hand side you can see the car after opening the set, how it will look. So they have mentioned we have a pull out fuel arm and all these things, and let us go and unbox it. So I just opening it. So after opening this, you can see the van, the Speed Cruiser will be like this. We have an antenna on the top, and from the back you can store one car. Okay, and here it is mentioned as Hot Wheels, and this one is made in China, not in Thailand. And I think maybe I think the Hot Wheels have made this van as with metal, not with plastic. This is what my opinion is, just like the cars. And here we have the universal clips to attach the race trackers, the track. And here we have a track over here, and here we have one manual, and here we have the car. So you can see the car over here. It's looking very nice. It's prototype H24, and on the side it is mentioned as Hot Wheels. The wheels are very sturdy. I like these Hot Wheels cars a lot. Prototype H24, and this one is made in Malaysia. That's great. That's good. I like this car a lot. I have a lot of collection of Hot Wheels. I'll show you in other videos. You can see we have the connecting clips here. So this is what the track, and this is the car. Okay. Let me go and connect them, so you can see how I'm connecting the clips to the track. So these are some extra tracks, extra clips which I have. This is also an extra tag from other Hot Wheels set. Here comes the Speed Cruiser. We have the Speed Cruiser over here, and the sprocket over here, and whenever the car comes on the track, the Speed Cruiser opens like this, and the car goes in to fill up the fuel, and later the antenna goes up, and next the fuel arm will come forward, and it will fill the fuel. Just fill the fuel, and then it goes onto the track. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video, and hope you like my videos. And please don't forget to click on subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. And also please do comment below for more videos like this. That's it guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep watching.